Stepper motor interfacing. Open the kill software. In that, open the project, new project, create a folder in a D drive and save it with the name. And now select the IC, which is a 8089C51. Save it and say pop-up file no. Now open the file, write the code and save that code .c in created folder. Now go to the target. In target source file, right click on a source, add the existing file to group, that is the source group 1, add it. Now build it, check the error and go to the target, right click on a target and first option, that is a target option for the target 1. Now open the output, open, create a hex file, click on that and say OK and again build it. Now open the software SST, go to the option, select device SST89E V516RD2 and select the COM port, select the baud rate 9600 and say OK and wait. See successful messages display. Go to the download option, go to the folder, select object, hex file, OK and connect the hardware. See the output. This is the output. Thank you.